Let us understand what makes the backflow smoke idols work. We expect the smoke to rise because typically when we see smoke it is hot and hot air rises as it is lighter than the cool air. This is through process of convection. But what makes the smoke to go down and backflow through these idols? If you look at the incense cone or the dhoop provided, it is almost hollow from within. That is, there is a cavity or a hole at the bottom which goes to almost at the tip of the cone. When you lit the cone, at first the smoke does rises as expected, but when it burns further, the smokes find its way in the cavity or a hole inside, and it now has a chance to cool down. And as smoke is made up of suspended particles, it is heavier than air, and smoke now actually backflows. In this homemade version I made, I did two modifications. One, I attached the metallic tube to give more direction and more cooling to the backflow smoke, and covering it with the glass surround did a good job of blocking out the convection current, and hence I get a nice smoke fall. To understand better, you can also set up a smoke fall in other way by passing a paper roll through a hole in a bottle. The paper roll is now acting as a cavity of an incense cone and bottle is cutting down the convection current. And you see the smoke is actually falling instead of rising. You can make your own backflow incense dhoop by making a cone shape as usual and then making a hole from the bottom almost right to the tip. You can use the back side of your paintbrush to do this.